Music producers, what's going on with you? It's Curtis King of Curtis King TV, and today I have the pleasure of reviewing the homie Simon Servida's new plugin, Retrograde. It's as sexy as it sounds on the name. It just rolls off the tongue, boss. But anyway, shout out to Simon Servida for this amazing freaking plugin. Wait a minute, you gotta have it in the background, Curtis. Ooh, look at that. She's sexy. Well, let's do a review on her and see what she's all about and what it's hitting for. See you in a second. Okay, first and foremost, music producers, let me just say thank you for choosing to watch today's video. If you like the video, damn it, like the video. If you want to hang around for more content, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you got something that you want to add to the conversation, shut up. I'm just playing. Add it to the comments down below, and we would love to hear from you. I'm just playing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is, from what I understand, because I just got off the phone with him right now, a beta version of Retrograde. The version you have is going to be even sexier than what this is. I'm looking at this like, damn, what else you going to add to it? What else you going to add to it? Anyways, this thing is a reverser, a server. That's an understatement of what it actually does. Here's a sample I have with nothing on it. All right, let's turn it on, Retrograde. You can already kind of hear it. Let's turn the mix up. Take out some of the low end. Nice. Turn the ping pong mode. Turn the ducking on. Nice. Got a gain knob. All right, let's run through some of these presets. Let's go to Mercury. Oh, Saturn. That's actually really smooth. Jupiter. Neptune, and Pluto. I think Pluto's my favorite one. You have a sync button here that allows you to do different timings on the reverse depending on where you want to manipulate it, from your left or your right ear. You got the sync mode that basically manipulates them both at the same time, at the same timing, and also a ping pong button that basically pans left and right the reversing sound. You also have a ducking mode that obviously ducks the sound. You have a gain knob here, a mix knob, and then you have some EQ bands here to mess around with so you can kind of pinpoint what you want to do with the sound. You got undo buttons up here and then an on and off switch. I see myself using this reversing effect either to layer sounds on top of each other or to change the vibe of a melodic loop just to give it new life. You know, maybe pitch it up 12 semitones and then just let the reverse go crazy. I'm gonna let you listen to what I did with this. Whole nother vibe to this. So in case you couldn't hear that, this is the sound that got manipulated. This thing is a win for me. Plus, it's not really even hitting your pockets that hard. At the recording of this, it's 27 bucks. Once again, thank you, Simon Servida, for giving me the opportunity to cover this. Congratulations, my friend. The only cons I have about it as of the recording of this, I wish there were more presets. I actually texted them that. I was like, bro, more presets! Retrogradeplugin.com. Get that. Thank you once again, music producers, for watching today's video. If you like it, want to stick around for more, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Leave something in the comments if you got something to say. Like I always say, in this life, you would not be full of life until you decide to live life to its fullest. Once again, it's Curtis King of CurtisKing.com. Curtis King TV. Have a good one. Peace. Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.